Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello everyone. It's your girl again, and today's video it's yummy party Niger smoky jollof rice. Yeah, drum rolls. If your jollof rice is not smoky, it is really not jollof rice. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you the secret recipe how to make ultimate smoky party Niger jollof rice. Yeah, Nigeria jollof rice to the world. Just like the one you can't stop eating at Nigerian parties and weddings, this recipe that I'll be sharing with you today is packed with bold flavor, a rich tomato base, and perfect smoky taste that makes every bite yummy and unforgettable. Whether you're cooking for your family, hosting a party, or just craving some authentic Nigerian jollof, this step by step guide, which I'll be sharing with you today, will help you to nail it and you will really, really enjoy it. Sit back, relax, let's dive into this. Again, it is Niger Party Smoky Jollof Rice. Yeah. And if you're new here, this is Cecelia Howard. And I will be showing you what I use, the ingredients, the secret ingredients that I use to make this yummy, delicious Nigeria jollof rice. So let's get into it. The first thing I used was some red bell pepper, and the quantity actually depends on what you want to make. And I used some scotch bonnet, which they call atarudo. Actually, we don't eat too much pepper in my family, so I won't be using too much. And I have the curry powder, I have the iodized salt, and in this bottle, I have the vegetable oil, I have the nut chicken for seasoning, and also I have the tomato paste in this Ziploc. Yes, you heard me right. That's tomato paste, which I'll be adding. And in this bottle and container, I have the chicken broth already blended, and I have the main ingredient, rice. Yeah, parboiled rice. And yet I have the rosemary herbs, scent leaves, which I'll be using. I have the onions, and again, the quantity of the ingredients that you will be using actually depends on the quantity of what you want to make. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. And if you're new here, please subscribe. This is Cecelia Howard. I do a whole lot about healthy diets, and I'll be showing you what I made today. So the first thing you want to do is to add some vegetable oil into your pan, into your pot. Then you need to blend all the red bell pepper, onions, and other pepper. And that was exactly what I did. While this one is blending, I already wash my rice to make sure I get rid of all the starch. And the next thing I did was to pour the blended pepper into the already hot oil. Yeah, vegetable oil. This is hot. I stir it together and I added the tomato paste. Yes. Again, the quantity of the bell pepper that you will use or tomato paste actually depends on the quantity of the Niger smoky jollof rice that you want to make. And today I will be making almost 1 Congo, which is almost equivalent to about 1.5 kg. Yeah, I think I got it right. So I allow the stew to steam, as in to fry very well. And the next thing I did was to add all my secret ingredients. Yeah, nut chicken to the world. I added the curry powder, I added the nut chicken, and you actually want to add as you needed. I added the salt, iodized salt. You need that for taste. And the next thing I did was to add some rosemary into the already steaming pepper. Yes, I added this rosemary to give it another flavor, and I let this cook for a while to steam. Ata di. Yes, you want to let it steam very well. Your ata must be din. So now I have the rice, which I already washed. It's a parboiled rice, and I'll be adding that into this. And this is actually What I did, I added the rice because I don't like the way the steamed pepper was splashing all around. So I quickly added the rice and I turned. And you want to slow down the heat so that your rice will not burn. And don't add any stock broth at this moment because you want your rice to steam very well and to fry in the pepper, in the already cooked pepper. So that was what I did. I allowed it to cook for like 5 to 10 minutes before I added the chicken broth. I already added the chicken broth at this point, and lo and behold, my smoky party Niger jollof rice. It's ready. Yeah, drum rolls. This is actually yummy, and this is how to make your yummy, delicious Nigeria smoky party jollof rice. I garnish this with some rosemary, and the whole hour that I use, the whole minute that I use to cook this is about 20 to 25 minutes. And make sure you cook it on slow heat. And da-da! This is how I got this smoky, delicious Niger jollof rice. Will you try this out? Let me know in the comment section. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia Howard. I love you all. Subscribe for more. Bye for now. Thank you.